What's up, you guys? Today we are going to be going over how to set up your domain on your website. So whatever your domain is, mine's going to be thedonsmith.com, but whatever yours is, that way it doesn't have your domain plus yourbrandedriven.com. It gets rid of this yourbrandedriven and it makes it unique to yours specifically. So let's go ahead and dive into this. This should be a pretty quick video. What we're going to do is we're going to go down here to the website settings, domains, custom domain, connect an existing domain. We're going to put in whatever domain name that you're going to be using. Put it in here. Click connect domain. Then it's going to tell you what the DNS entries need to be for your specific site. So I'm going to show you how to do this. It's super easy, and it should be pretty much the same for whatever domain provider that you're using. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to our domain provider. We like to use GoDaddy. They just make it super easy for stuff like this. If you use GoDaddy, you're going to go to domains and then domain settings for whatever URL that it is. We have multiple, so pick whatever domain that you want to connect. And then once you're there, you're going to go to manage DNS right here. And that'll bring you to the setting screen right here. So this is where you're going to add this information. Is going to go on here. When you first buy a domain, typically it'll have one that says like it's parked. You need to delete that one, just because it won't recognize the new information that you're putting in. You have to get rid of the one that says parked. It's basically just parking that domain name. So what we're going to do, remove any parking or URL redirect records and make sure there's only one A record for @. If @ is not accepted as a host name, leave it blank. So you should only have one A record. So right here, how we have an A record, we need to delete this one. And we should be good to go now. So we're going to do @A, and we need this value right here. Copy. Go over here to add. The type is going to be A @. So we got A @. And then the value that we just copied, we're going to paste. Add record. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing for the CNAME. So we'll copy this value right here. And this is going to be CNAME www. So we're going to go over here, add CNAME www, paste, add record. Let's see here. There we go. I don't know why I didn't go through that first time. Oh, you know why? Because it already had one. So it let us do 4 W's because we already had one with 3. That's why it wasn't letting us. So let's delete this one. And then we'll go ahead and edit this one right here. Get rid of one of those W's. We'll save. There we go. So we literally just took what it needed from right here and we added it to our DNS records. So now everything should be set up. So now if we go up here and go to the donsmith.com, still in trial version on that page. So we'll continue the website, and here we go. It's all connected. So it's super easy to connect your domain. If you guys have any issues or have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can reach us at support@yourbrandriven.com, and we'll be more than happy to either do it for you or walk you through the steps. All right. With that, we will catch you guys on the next video.